So hello everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa for another video. So before we get started, thank you so much. I appreciate you being here with me today. We are going to get into painting, but I want to show you the dry piece from my previous video. Turned out wonderful. I love it. I love how simplistic it was and how it dried. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to show you. Check her out. Look how gorgeous it turned out. It's so simple. It does not have resin on it yet. And look how those colors just pop against this black base. Tell me what you guys think about this one. I love it. I love it. And like I said, it looks like ripples, right? I love the details I added on there strategically with my palette knife. And today we're going to be working on something a little similar. So this one is ready for resin. So we'll give it a couple of days and I'll do some resin work in a few days. Today we're working on a large canvas. This is a 24 by 36 inch canvas. I am going to use a split base color and I am going to be swiping again these wonderful colors. I'm going to try to puddle them and then just swipe through them. So we'll see how this one turns out. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, hi everyone. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts. We're here at the canvas, and like I said, we're going to be working on a 24 by 36 inch canvas. That's why it seems a little far. And I had to set up this way. I hope it's not so dark. Glare. No, okay. So I did say we're doing a split base. So the first color I'm using is Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam, and this is the Expert Series. And second color is Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam. So these two colors are going to be my base color. I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna layer my colors in. Okay, so canvas has been flooded. Now I'm just thinking, what am I gonna do about this swipe? So let's see. So color I'm gonna be starting with Primary Blue by DecoArt. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just winging it. My next color is Peacock Pearl by DecoArt. Next color is Pearl Cream by Arteza. Next I have 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. And last I have Luminous Violet by Holbein. And I am going to add a little bit of Pearl White by DecoArt, just to lighten this up a bit. So Pearl White. I'm just tracing this here. All right, guys. So Activator, I am using Payne's Gray, and I have my spatula here. So we're gonna go ahead and begin. Let me torch out the air bubbles. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's hope this works out. If not, you guys just experiment with me. Okay. So let me shake this a bit. And we're gonna begin. So I am just spreading the Saw Activator on my palette knife. Okay, so here we go. And I'm gonna begin over here. No, you know what? I think I'm gonna go this way. I love the colors. I think I'm moving too fast when I'm swiping, and I'm lifting the palette knife up from the canvas, and it's creating these mist spots right here, but I'll work with that. I shouldn't have separated them so much because a lot of this is going to be coming off, so I'm going to be losing some things here. I should have made these colors closer in the center. I'm not worried about this as this is going to be coming off, so that's okay. Love the colors here. Love that right here. I don't want to lose a lot of that. And this right over here. This one I'm thinking I'm going to bring down this way. So I'm going to be bringing this one. I'm just gonna tweak a little bit with a smaller knife, just these little pieces here. So kind of this right here. Push it out. Together there. And I'm going to pull it out this way as well. Try to. So I'm going to begin tilting that way. So nice and slow. Okay, that's good. And I am going to turn this around. Let's see if I can do it. If I'm afraid. Let me bring it this way. Turn it this way. Just want to keep it in frame so you guys can see what I'm doing. So we're gonna go back this way. I'm gonna bring it back up this way. You're not gonna be able to see it, but I do have to get it back this way. Okay, I'm not gonna move it anymore because I like the design that I have here so far. I think this is nice. Yes, I like that. So I am going, let me clean my gloves. So here she is, and look how gorgeous it is. Very different. Look at this. And I'm gonna bring you in a little closer, but I wanted you to look at it. Maybe this piece right here, I should have branched it out coming this way. But nonetheless, I like the piece, and you can hang it vertically, so it kind of makes more sense. So I'm gonna show you here. Look at this. That is absolutely gorgeous. Sorry about the overhead light glare, but look at that. And it has so much shine. Look at this. I love it. Now, look at this piece right here. Not as much detail, got a little wonky, but I love the way it flows and how it moves. Love that negative space right in the middle there. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Look at that. And then the lighter blue on this side. That got wonky, but I left it in. So check her out. She is a beauty. Tell me what you think about this piece. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm thinking, you see, look at this orientation. See, looks better. So look at that right there. I love it. Tell me what you think about it. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Like and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell, that way you're notified anytime I have new content. Thank you for joining me at Food Arts by Elsa, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.